One way to not worry about how much money you're going to be making in your affiliate marketing business next month is to promote recurring affiliate programs. Earning predictable monthly income is one easy way to have a stress-free online business. Now, if you choose the right recurring affiliate programs to promote, I mean the ones that have those high customer retention rates, then this is going to make your life so much easier to making $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So here's just a quick example to illustrate what can happen when you get paid month after month for the same referral versus a one-time payment commission structure. Now, in this example, No Limit Creatives pays affiliates a 10% recurring commission. Now, over the course of a year, the ongoing payments can add up to thousands of dollars in residual income. Now, on the other hand, the Amazon Associates or Amazon Influencer Program, they offer a one-time commission structure. So that means that you get paid per sale and not on a continuous basis on future orders for each customer. So as you can see, recurring affiliate commissions can really add up over time, and they're going to get you to making $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing a whole lot faster. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the best recurring affiliate programs to promote, starting with No Limit Creatives. Now, No Limit Creatives is a service-based provider. They offer unlimited graphic design and video design services. So for instance, they will go ahead and edit your short form videos, which is a pretty popular service right now, which is one of the reasons why this is one of my highest converting recurring affiliate programs to promote. Now, if you become an affiliate, you can request a promo code to give to your prospects. It's another reason why this has become one of my highest converting recurring affiliate programs to promote. So now when I refer people to No Limit Creatives, I give them my promo code PLAR50 that they can use at checkout for a 50% discount on their first month of their subscription. Now, as an affiliate, you will earn a 10% recurrent commission, and you will have a 90-day cookie from when your referrals click on your affiliate link. Second on this list is Clickmagic. Now, this is a link tracking software program that helps you track and optimize incoming traffic to your links. So for example, if you want to know whether you're earning affiliate commissions from your blog or if it's coming from YouTube, then you can use Clickmagic to designate where that traffic is coming from. Now, this tool was built by a super affiliate with a multi-million-dollar business. So by using Clickmagic, you can accurately track and optimize your ads and other online promotions that you're doing. Now, the truth of the matter is that a lot of your ad networks and your affiliate networks, they all provide you with these stats, but most of the times they are really inaccurate. So this is going to help you become more accurate and optimize where your sales are coming from, so you can do more promotions to that offer or to that traffic source. Now, as an affiliate, you'll earn 35% recurring commission, and there is a $50 minimum payout. Okay, so let's get back to the recurring affiliate programs that complement short form video content creation, because this is a really hot topic right now. So Submic is an AI powered tool that effortlessly enhances short form videos with captivating captions. It does the emojis, the B-roll footage, zoom effects. It also does sound enhancements. Now, AI affiliate programs, again, they are a trending topic. That makes AI tools relatively easy to promote. Now, similar to No Limit Creatives, affiliates can request a Submic promo code to give to your referrals. So that's exactly what I did. I requested a promo code, so now I give out my referrals promo code PLAR10. They can use that at checkout to get an additional 10% discount off of their monthly subscription plan. And now as an affiliate, I earn a whole heck of a lot more. So if you want to promote Submic, you will earn a 30% recurring commission, and there is a minimum of $50 USD in commissions in order to get paid out. Next on the list is Keyword Finder. So this is a keyword and SEO research-based tool that will help you grow exponentially using organic content marketing. Now, if you're building an affiliate website and you want to show up in the Google search inquiries, then keyword research is the secret ingredient. All of us that have an affiliate website, we are doing this. This is what enables us to have a money-making affiliate website. Now, as an affiliate, you will earn a 30% recurring commission, and there is a 30-day cookie. There's also Tailwind. Now, Tailwind is a Pinterest and Instagram social media scheduling tool. Now, this tool is an amazing time saver, as it will allow you to schedule and auto post your social media content. This tool is very popular among us bloggers. We do use Pinterest to get a lot of traffic to our blogs, and this is one way to automate your business and not have to worry about constantly creating pins. You can automate it with Tailwind. Now, as an affiliate, you will earn a 25% recurring commission, and this is available on the Impact Radius affiliate network, so you want to apply and join there. AWeber is another one of my favorites. So it's a simple email marketing software tool for small businesses. Now, it's pretty basic, but it's also very powerful tool in the sense that it will make you money in your sleep with email marketing. Now, that's exactly what I've been doing in my affiliate marketing business with AWeber for many years. So you don't need any fancy software tools, nor do you need an expensive email provider. AWeber will do everything for you. Now, as an affiliate, you will earn between 30 to 50% recurrent commission. So if you refer over 50 new paid accounts to AWeber in the trailing 12 months, you will earn 50% commissions on your AWeber referrals. Next on the list is Spocket. So Spocket is a centralized hub to find the best dropshipping suppliers of original US and EU products. You choose the product to sell, you place images on your website, and you make money without needing to hold any inventory whatsoever. The great news is that Spocket is now making this easier for you to do. They have integrated AI onto their platform, so you can auto-populate your e-commerce website with dropshipping products. E-commerce is a huge industry, and dropshipping products is just one way to quickly scale your online business with little to no funds. Now, as an affiliate, you will earn between 20 to 30% recurrent commission, and there is a 90-day cookie. So LiveChat offers a live chatting solution for site owners to connect with their customers and to sell products. They are used by over 45,000 businesses, including IKEA and PayPal. Now, chat services are a great way for quickly answering a potential customer's question that may have otherwise prevented them from making a purchase. Now, as a LiveChat affiliate, you will earn a 20% lifetime recurrent commission, but if you refer 5 people or more new paid accounts to LiveChat, then you will earn a 22% recurrent commissions. Now, there is a 120-day cookie. Next is Surfer SEO. Now, this is a comprehensive on-page SEO tool that helps users optimize their website content. It also analyzes top ranking pages to provide insights for improving content relevance and structure. Surfer SEO offers features like content audits, keyword analysis, and more to enhance your website performance. Now, as an affiliate, you will earn a 25% recurrent commission, and there is a 90-day cookie. Now let's talk about the ClickFunnels recurring affiliate program. So ClickFunnels is a sales funnel software and all-in-one business builder tool. Affiliates can promote low-ticket entry offers, such as the One Funnel Away Challenge that upsells customers to their monthly recurring software. Now, additionally, ClickFunnels affiliates who refer 100 active ClickFunnels 2.0 subscribers can qualify to have ClickFunnels pay for their dream car. So when I first started promoting ClickFunnels, it was because I was using the tool in my e-commerce business. Now, as I was telling my students how to use ClickFunnels to make more sales to their e-commerce products, I began to notice that I was making a lot of ClickFunnels affiliate commissions. I made well over $4,500. I think it was in a matter of 1 month. And now I've made well into the high 5-figure months in ClickFunnels affiliate commissions. Now, as a brand new affiliate, you can earn 30% recurring commissions, and you do have a 30-day cookie. If you want to become ultra successful in your affiliate marketing business and make money with these recurring affiliate programs, then one way to do that is to become an actual consumer of the affiliate product that you are promoting. That is how I've been able to make so much money with a lot of these programs. I actually use these products. I have insider information that I can give to my audience, and they really appreciate that. And that is why I'm able to make a lot of affiliate commissions. So guys, I have a bigger list on my website of recurring affiliate programs to promote. Definitely go ahead and check it out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.